In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use servings and portions. Servings and portions indicate to your client how much to make and how much to eat for any one recipe in their meal plan. Servings are the total number of servings a recipe makes. Portions are the number of servings eaten by one person in a single serving. For example, your client may make 4 servings of a recipe and then eat 1 portion. You can change the number of servings a recipe makes in 2 different ways. Click on Recipes to view the recipe gallery and select the recipe you would like to see. From within the recipe card, adjust the serving slider to your desired amount. All of the ingredient quantities will adjust in real time. Please note a recipe's nutrition information will not adjust when the servings are changed, since all nutrition information is based on a single serving. Once you have set your desired number of servings, click Add. Choose your meal plan and choose the meal you would like to add the recipe to. The second way to adjust servings is from within your planner. Click on Planner and select the meal you would like to adjust. Click and slide the serving slider to change the number of servings, and then click the Save button. Keep in mind when adjusting servings that not all recipes will scale accordingly. For example, this blueberry banana bread recipe indicates 10 servings, but is only enjoyed for 3 days. This is because it is best to add the full number of servings and have my client freeze the leftovers, rather than modify the servings, since the recipe will be made in a standard size loaf pan. It's important to note that changing the servings of a meal on your plan will not affect the nutrition information for that day. If you'd like to change the number of servings you'd like your client to eat, you can use portions. Portions indicate the amount of food consumed in one sitting. The planner will always default to 1 portion of each meal. If you want your client to eat more or less than 1 portion of a particular meal, click into the meal you would like to adjust. Click the portion link located next to the number of servings. To indicate a half portion, input 0.5. To indicate doubling the portion, input 2. Please note, to increase the portion size, there need to be enough servings of the recipe to cover the portions. You may need to first adjust the number of servings, save this change, and then reopen the portions to double it. Now you'll notice a number appears before the title of the recipe to indicate to the client how many portions of that particular meal to enjoy. The daily nutrition information along the top of the meal plan will adjust to account for the modified portion size. And that's how easy it is to use servings and portions.